What is up, everybody? Darren Daily Driving Hoopties here. I rubbed up against something. It's been a tire kind of morning. So this morning's been a little bit busy. It's Saturday morning here, July 24th, I think, or something around there. It's end of July sometime. Saturday, 2021. You guys have a calendar, you can look it up. But this morning has been a tire morning. I guess when we were at Lake Havasu last week, when we were driving home, I ran over a razor blade and it destroyed my front left tire. So that was lovely. The guy said I probably was driving like that for a good 100 miles. So that was cool. And next up, we were doing the van, and I had that blowout the other day. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen that. So that was lovely. So 2 new tires, $250 later. I guess that's lovely. I mean, the Kelly wasn't bad. I guess $139 for a load range D tire actually is not that bad. But yeah, so got to buy a new tire there, and then the van had to buy a new tire for it. But what I'm going to do on the van is, I think, which we're driving right now, what I think I'm going to do on the van here is I'm going to run the spare tire on the right rear now. And I have a brand new spare, so I'm going to put the new spare up underneath the back, and I'm just going to drive like that for now and see if we can just burn off this spare tire. I mean, why keep it a spare for life? It's kind of stupid in my opinion, so I figured may as well just burn through it, put it on the car, and run it. So we're going to run that. But this episode, we're going to start the Corvette. So we actually started the C2 today. Ironically, the last time the C2 Corvette was out was when we took the motor out of the C3. And today we're going to reverse that. So the C2 was out, C3 motor is going back in. So Dad's at the house, he's getting stuff ready. I just picked up this tire, we're going to get it mounted and everything. I don't know who's going to be at the house. I know we're going to have some help today. But we're going to get this motor slammed into this thing and we're going to drive this car because I really want to drive this thing. It's really been haunting me. I've had the car for like 5 years and has not been able to drive. So let's get this thing done. I will see you guys on the other side. We'll give you some updates throughout the day. And keep daily driving them hoopties. Keep working on cars. Keep doing what you want to do. Keep watching the videos. Keep liking, sharing, subscribing. And we'll see you throughout this thing. Okay, everybody, here we are, day 2, C3 Corvette, Hooptie Corvette rescue mission. Motor's in, so let me go ahead and swap camera angles here, and we will check this thing out. Here we are, phones. Those are my phones. But here we are, 350, one from the stand right there. She's in her home. That's it. Looks really good. Definitely orange. Those valve covers are not the valve covers. The valve covers I'm putting on it are actually right here. I just need to get them polished, so that's coming up. But this thing it's coming together actually. I got the carb, just got to decide which carb I'm going to use. I got 2 of them. Yes, I'm going completely stock on this car, everybody. EGR valve, gonna put all that stuff back on. Just didn't want to bend any of it when I was putting the motor in. But you can see I got nothing up here. Still gotta put the condenser and everything back in. But this thing is doing the thing and coming together. I'm super excited to drive this car. In my life, I haven't been in a C3 probably running but other than driving it from the front of my driveway to my back of my driveway, 20 years probably. I'm guessing I was 10 the last time a C3 was running in my life. So this thing is going to be really cool. I want to just try to clean the paint up, but I don't know how bad it's going to be. Obviously, I still got to put mirrors on and everything. Got to finish pulling the rest of the interior apart. But yeah, we're going to keep going on this thing. Going to chug along. Hopefully, I'm going to have it running by September. My goal is to be able to drive this car to SEMA show this year. So if I can do that, I'm going to be super excited to drive this thing out there. And if you see me, you can yell at me, holler at me, check the thing out. I'm just super excited to get this car going. So again, I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch these things, and I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera, and we're going to keep doing the thing here. Okay, everybody. Well, here we are at the end of another episode. I just want to say again, thank you for watching these things. I appreciate it. So go ahead and keep doing the thing. Like, share, subscribe. Do what it is down there. I'm going to keep the content coming. C3, it's coming along. I got to get a bumper. I have a back bumper, but I don't want to paint it. I've been lazy. But it's about 2:30 in the morning now. I'm going to finish editing this video and get it up posted, at least scheduled for this week. We got some content coming for you guys this week. Got 3 episodes dropping this week, so told you, I'm going to have them coming. Engine stand is empty. C3 has an engine in it. Thanks for watching, guys. Good night.